Hi everybody, it's Oliver Morrison production. Today I'll be filming Golden Time almost number 21. You can tell this bird tape was starting to peel off. Yep, it's really coat of paint. Just painted this bird table last year. Spraying now, it's starting to peel off again. You can see bird new coat of paint, and I also need to clean out the seed out too, so yep. The body need painting too, so it's, except the leg part looks, oh, it's a bit rusty, it's a new coat of paint. So yep, I will see you folks later. Okay, this is end of Golden Time almost 21. Golden Time almost 22 comes. I don't know when, but I'll let you know soon. You have the bird to look like now, and yeah, it's a bit. What to do? Apologize, just water my garden, of course. So I also click the bird bath as well, get a nice fresh water. Oh, you see Bonnie? You know my Bonnie? Rest in peace, Bonnie. Yeah, she's a bit bushy, yeah. Yeah, some of these plants will cut back soon, but probably all the time, so. So yes, I'll see you folks later.